My name is Edwin Mingard, and at the moment I'm based in South London whilst I'm making a piece of work in East London. I'm often described as a socially engaged artist. I don't work with a specific medium, but I do make a lot of my work is moving image. I make publications, installations, film, photographic projects. I guess the medium normally responds to the content of the work, which is socially created, normally in collaboration with people who have lived experience of a particular social or cultural or political issue. The residency's been amazing. It's been a stable base whilst I've been developing a new piece of work that I'm making in East London in 2021. That work is made in collaboration with a network of people who have lived experience of the hostile environment, the government policy, which has, I guess, existed under different guises for a very long time, but was given that name in around 2015. The piece of work that I most recently finished was a film I made in collaboration with a group of young people experiencing homelessness in Stoke-on-Trent. And that film is currently in New Contemporaries, and it's going out to festivals at the moment. And off the back of that, I am releasing the soundtrack of the work as a vinyl record. I think partly because it's a really great piece of music that was collaboratively made by the young people who were involved in making the film, and partly the idea is that that will create a fund that can support my collaborators on the work as they take their next steps in life.